Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about types of soil. This is subtopic of your chapter, science chapter, soil. Students, as you know, weathering of rocks produces small particles of various materials. What is this weathering? Weathering means breaking down of rocks. By means of this process, small parts of rocks are formed. These small particles include sand, these include clay. The amount of sand and clay depends upon the nature of rock from which particles are formed. The mixture of rock particles and humus is called the soil. When these rock particles, that is sand and clay, is mixed with humus, soil is formed. Humus is actually dead organic matter. In soil, living organisms are also present. The soil is classified on the basis of proportion of particles of various sizes. Now, this soil is classified on the basis of size particles as sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. If soil contains greater proportion of big particles, it is called sandy soil. If the proportion of fine particles is relatively higher, then it is clay soil. If the amount of large and fine particles is about the same, then the soil is called loamy. Amount of large and fine particles is about same, then the soil is loamy. Thus the soil can be classified as sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. The size of particles in a soil have very important influence on its properties. Sand particles are quite large, they cannot fit closely together, so there are large spaces between them. These spaces are filled with air. We say that the sand is well aerated. Water can drain quickly through the spaces between the sand particles. From sandy soil, water is drained off quickly. So the sandy soils tend to be light, well aerated, and rather dry. Clay particles, being much smaller, pack tightly together, leaving the space for air. Unlike sandy soil, water can be held in the tiny gaps between the particles of clay. So, clay soils have little water than the sandy soils. The best topsoil for growing plants is loam. Loamy soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and another types of soil particles known as silt. Silt occurs as a deposit in river beds. The size of the silt particles is between those of sand and clay. The loamy soil also has humus in it. It has the right water holding capacity for the growth of plants.